Hi, Steve here. In this video I want to talk to you about images and uploading images and using images on your WordPress website. And I've got a image here. This is an image here of Liverpool docks here, and this is the camera, the image direct from the camera, and it's about I think about 2.7 megabytes in size. Now that's way too large to go as it is onto a web page. Now I could upload it onto WordPress as it is, and WordPress will actually compress and reduce the image size, and I can use the reduced image size, but I prefer to reduce it first, and I'm going to show you how I do that. So let me just show you the size of it here. You can see there it's coming up at 2.6 megabytes, and its dimensions are 4,000 by 3,000 pixels. That's 4,000 wide and 3,000 high. Now the reduced image is over here. There we go. That's reduced to 1,000 wide, and it's approximately 260 kilobytes in size. Now I reduced that with the picture manager that comes with the Microsoft Office. Now to do it, I just right click it and edit it, and you can see there's the picture there. There's Liverpool docks, and I'm looking happy because I'm going away on holiday. So all I do is click that one there, compress picture, and it gives me options here, and the one I'm going to choose documents, which actually takes it down to 287 kilobytes. You could use web pages, which makes it even smaller, and you can see it's going to be 448 pixels wide if you do that. But I prefer the documents one, and I let WordPress reduce it further. So if I want to use smaller images, I can use them. But I'll show you how that's done in a second. So now all I need to do is save that, which I already have done. File, save as, and I'm not going to do that because I've already got the file there. So there are my two images now, Liverpool and Liverpool reduced. So I upload them into WordPress. Now before I actually do that, I need to adjust the settings in WordPress. Now if I go to settings, media, and look at the settings, the thumbnail size is 150, the medium size is 300, and there's the maximum size, which is 600. Now what WordPress does is when you upload the image, it will create image files based on those sizes. So I should see three new images appear when I upload it. One is 150 pixels wide, another is 300, another is 600. Now I will only see those if the picture I'm uploading is greater than the 600, which mine's 1024 wide, so I should see three images. Now if the image I was going to upload was only 500 pixels wide, then I wouldn't have this one here, and if that doesn't make sense, you'll see when I show you the images that get created. So the default on WordPress, by the way, is 1024, not 600. I've actually changed this, and if you change it, don't forget to save the changes. I prefer 600 because that fits with most WordPress themes. Not many themes are greater, or not many themes of content which is 1024 pixels wide. Most tend to be around 1000 pixels wide in total, with margins on either side. So I stick with 600, but obviously that's up to you. So if I go and look at the images on the server, now this is what's created. There's the 150, which is the thumbnail size. There's the medium size, and there's the large size. Now there is another one here which is I believe for featured images, and you can't change the size of that in the settings. I believe you have to go into the code to do that. And while I'm here, you can see the size of the original, which is 268 there. I also uploaded the original size, the 2 megabit one there, and you can see it did the same thing here. It produced a 150, a 300, a 600, and again another one for the featured image. Okay, so now I've got the images uploaded onto WordPress by going to the media and adding an image. I'm going to use those images now in a post or a page. So let me go to the pages. So now I'm going to add my image to my test page. Now to do that, just click Add Media, and it's already uploaded in the media library, so I'm just going to the media library there, and that is the reduced image. You can see it on the right hand side here. So I'm going to insert that into the post. Now look at the options I've got here. This is the link, so it links to the media file, which means that it's actually linking to the original file size, file, which is the 287 kilobyte file, and that is by default. Now if it's a product type image, if you've got a shopping website, then it makes sense to link the image to an enlarged image. If the image is there just for illustration, then it's usually not normal to link to it. So most of the time you would just be setting this to none, like that. But I'm going to set it to link to the media file because I want to show you what happens when you click on it, obviously, so you see an enlarged image. Now you can see here the options I've got for the image sizes, and these are based on what I showed you in the media settings. So I've got a thumbnail, a medium, a large. Notice I've got a full size image. Now the full size image is the original image, which is 1024 pixels wide. Now if you remember back to the media settings, this wasn't a setting in the media settings, the full size one. It is there by default. You can't change it. It's actually the size of the original image, whatever that is. If I was to do the same with this image here, the Liverpool one, then my full size one here would be 4000 by 3000 pixels, because that's the size of that image. Okay, so now I'm just going to add it, and I'm going to add the large one, insert into post. So there it is there. Then I'm going to preview it. So there we can see it there. And now you can see it's linkable, and now I just click on it and you can see an enlarged image here, and this is the reduced image, which is, as you saw earlier, it's about 280 kilobytes in size, and it's a 1024 pixel wide image. So there you are, how to add images to a WordPress page or a post. Until next time, bye.